And welcome, Paul Theron from Versag. Great to have you in studio. So I saw you watching that interview with BMW MD. What car do you drive?
I've got an old Mercedes, but I've had two BMWs before that, so I'm a big fan. But I can't believe you didn't ask him about the new M5. I mean, that's what everybody's raving about. There's this new M5, which just got an enormous engine and can accelerate incredibly within
So you're going to be switching your Mercedes for a BMW M5,
Ah, you know, my kids, they keep saying, Dad, this old car, it's no good.
Yeah, are you heading closer to midlife crisis, perhaps? So
no, my plan is to give my current car to one of my sons and then upgrade to something much faster.
So the Apple, the new iPhone 5.
Well, speaking of upgrades, yes.
Yes, creates quite a bit of disappointment from what I've been reading within the market. Why?
Well, it seems almost as though if they had taken the same phone and just put it in a different case and called it the iPhone 5, then the market would have gone up 7%. Instead, they came with a much better phone, with a much better camera and a much better operating system, and they put it in the same case and the market went down 7%. So, you know, I think people are a bit crazy.
So it's all about the casing.
Yeah, but you know, yesterday was such a mad day in the New York markets. We were down all day, and then suddenly with half an hour to go, the market does the 6% somersault or something. It's totally insane. And Apple got caught in the updraft. Some people said the bounce in Apple was the reason for the move. But, you know, all things considered, looks as though Apple is continuing to make good strides. People want the 4S, and they'll buy the iPhone 4 in emerging markets because it'll be slightly cheaper, blah, blah, blah.
So I watch in awe. I see the markets trading between 29,000 and sort of 31,000 for the past few months. And we speak of all this volatility, but the truth is, if you look at the longer term trend, we're stuck in a very tight range. Paul, trading versus investing.
Well, you know, the problem is there are people out there who trade money for a living. And of course, they range from single guys sitting in their underpants at home with a Bloomberg terminal or maybe just the internet.
Are you speculating this? Or?
Right through to people who get like multi-million rand bonuses because they work at hedge funds. And my sense is all of them are losing money this year because it's just so whipsaw, it's just so crazy. It's not that easy for the people who do nothing either, you know, the sort of long-term investors, because they're also burning, people are losing money, you know, but to try and get the timing of your trades right with the market being the way it is really insanely difficult. So I really...
Are you getting it right,
my
Paul?
heart goes out to those people. Well, we're in the buy, hold and, you know, stay long camp.
Are you shorting anything?
No, we're not short anything. We're not in that kind of space. We don't do any of those kind of trades. But even that, you know, what are you going to go short of? It can be up or down 6% in a day.